Hi, I'm Paulo from dancingwiththesea.com. I see people practicing for years without much improvement. I'll show you why that's happening in this video. The philosophy is very simple. Instead of using strength and a big blade, we use our body in a natural way to make all the techniques feel easy. No fighting against the water. That's why I call it dancing with the sea. Here's some good news. Although it may seem like you need to fix your forward stroke, learn to brace so you can be more secure in the waves, learn to roll, edge, turn, I'll show you how mastering all those skills is really about getting good at just a few things. And it's not even hard when you know what to do. It'll all make sense in a few minutes. Like I mentioned in the first video, the Inuit designed the kayak with a masik. In my opinion, this is what distinguishes the kayak from a boat. You can sit in the boat and paddle it, but only a kayak can be worn. I know a lot of people will argue that what makes a kayak is the shape or the double blade, but only wearing your kayak will give you that agility on the water. Agility which only the kayak can give you. That's the true genius of the kayak in my mind. Your hips are made to move this way, forward and back. When you move side to side, you can only bend your spine. Your hips just don't move that way. Not much range of motion there. When you don't rotate in your kayak, you can only move your body forward and back. Sideways, you're kind of limited. When you rotate, you gain the range of motion that gives you power and also agility. Power for your forward stroke, to go faster. It's also what gives you the endurance to go the distance, to explore more out-of-the-way wilderness areas. The extra range of motion makes it easy to avoid a capsize. Support is really built into your forward stroke, so you never have to worry about getting out of balance. Now you have a powerful position for edging and turning in the waves without ending up in the water. When rolling a kayak, most people do it without using the flexibility in their hips. They just use their upper body and strength and coordination. That's why it's so hard for most people to learn, and why it's considered an advanced skill. For the Inuit, it was the first thing they learned to do in a kayak. It's actually easy when you rotate your hips to get that extra range of motion. So the most important thing you can do to improve any skill you learn with your kayak has nothing to do with practice. It has everything to do with learning to move with your kayak. I'll show you how in the next video. See you there.